Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to use Google Classroom. And so once you signed in into your Google account in your browser, or if you open Play Store in your Android phone, you can go to you can search Classroom. So if you are on your Android mobile, go to the Play Store and download that app and open it. If you are in your laptop, go to this classroom.google.com website. Yeah. So once you signed in, uh, you will be welcome to this blank page. Go and click in join class. So your teachers would have given you a code that looks something like this, and paste that code and click in join. So once you joined the class, you'll be able to see all the data that have been posted by your teachers. So if your teachers have given a quiz, and if there is a due date or anything, so all those due time and will be shown in your left in this upcoming box. All the informations that your teachers are submitting will be shown in these kinds of boxes in the stream menu. So stream menu is a place where each and every data that are being shared by your teacher will be shown, whereas classwork is a way to organize all the stuff that are being posted by your teachers. So your teachers would have in this case there's just two elements, but your teachers would create multiple subjects, and there would be multiple topics in here, and each topic would have its respective due dates and times. So you can go and see it in an organized way in this classwork menu, whereas if you see it in stream, it will be in the order in which they have posted. So in classwork menu, so there are multiple types of assignments that are being assigned. So if it's just about seeing a YouTube video, or if they sent a personal video that you have to watch, it will be available in this kind of a box, where if you go and click view material, so in this case it's a YouTube video, you can be able to run the YouTube video like this. Whereas if it is a quiz, it will be shown as a view assignment, and in that you can go and click on the quiz. Okay. On clicking that quiz, you will be shown this Google form page, where you have to submit the answers by clicking. If it is a multiple choice question, you have to submit it by clicking, whereas if it is a short answer question, you can type out the answer and click on submit. Once you've submitted the form, automatically you would be sent back to this page, where you have to click mark as done. Once you've done your quiz, you have to click mark as done. And also, if you want to add any kind of file, like if you have a PDF or anything, so that you want to add to it, you can click in add or create. So as of now, I am not going to add anything, so I'll just click mark as done, and your files would, your quiz would be submitted to them. That is, the teachers would see that you have submitted the work. So in this way, whatever assignments that are being assigned to you, you can submit it through this way, and if you have any doubts related to it, you can post it in class comments. So the class comments are visible to all other people who are in the classroom, whereas if you put private comments, the comments will only be viewed by your teachers. So this is also a provision that's being made in Google Classroom. So this is a short intro of how to use Google Classroom. In this page you will be able to see other students who are all here. In this demo I have not added any other students, so you are not seeing anything. You will also be able to see your teachers and others. So this is how you have to use your Google Classroom. So thank you.